So guys, meron kaming calendar, di ba? O, di ba? 2021 na!
2021 na yun, inagyan ka pong ganwa niya kung tayo yan.
So guys, we are going to Soho Mall kasi meron siyang pa-promotion today. Is this your first time, Bobby?
Yeah!
To have a promotion? Yay!
Sikat na kami!
Sikat na si Antuy Palaboy! Sana ako kasi milktea siya. And at the same time, I might also have to make a vlog about this new Milktea shop near Pirama. It's specifically located inside Soho Mall. It's a beautiful.
Mga Palaboys, kailangan muna natin mag-fill in ng health declaration form at mag-temperature check bago tayo pwedeng pumasok sa City Soho Mall. Ito ay alinsunod sa IATF Health Protocol Guidelines para masiguradong ligtas ang lahat sa COVID-19 virus. Hey Palaboy Nation, it's me again, Antuy Palaboy Nation, and welcome to my vlog. So for today's vlog, ang gagawin natin ay mag-review tayo ng isa sa bagong milk tea shop dito sa Cebu. So let's go and explore their new store.
These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home.
It was soul of God's creation. Our work enables us to practice charity and to help the less fortunate, so that joined to Christ the believer, we grow in His love. Let us bless the Lord then and pray that He will shower His blessings on everyone who will come to His place. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come.
So guys, officially open ang Cebu cha, so you can take and avail their 1 peso milk tea as long as you buy large size in a regular price, and you will get 1 medium classic flavor ng kanilang milk tea. So let's go!
What do they need to do to get the piece of tea? They have to buy 1 large premium latte series or the healthy fruit tea lang. Which costs 99 pesos only, and then instead na 79 pesos ang classic na medium, they will pay only 1 peso.
Loyalty card, ma'am.
Yes, loyalty cards are for free. They can avail kung sumari sila today, tagaan sila loyalty card for free instead na bayad sila 18 pesos.
Unsa benefits sa inyong
Yes.
Unsa benefits sa inyong loyalty card?
First purchase sa na large na premium sa latte series or sa healthy kay naanay piso milk tea. So tomorrow makabil na sila na. Balik
okay.
sila. And then the 5th purchase na 50% off. And then sa 10, free dun siya. And then, if makomplete na siya, pwede na siya ipang-raffle. Natay madagan, pwede na cellphone, tablet, and other merchandise like t-shirts, masks, and also GCs.
Amazing.
Do you deliver? Yes, we deliver na tayo own riders so that we can also help them. So wala tayo partners na mga food panda. So kung nagdagan man ko ng utana, it's nakabata sa food panda. So wala. We have our own riders. You can just message us, Cebu Philippines or Cebu City Soho Mall branch. Number to call? You can call us at 384-0923. I'm Michelle Rose Lopez.
I'm Micah Anjali Paris. You can follow me on TikTok. I am Micah97.
TikTok ka, girl! Guys, nanang trader, nabot na. Ano nangyari? Ba't tatagalan ka?
Nasa kami.
Na? So guys, meron kaming calendar, di ba? O, di ba? 2021 na!
2021 na yun, nagyan kapugan, wag niya kung tayo uyam.
Thank for Antuy, Palaboy.
Yay! That's mine! Thank you! Thank you! Ang dami, guys!
Inumin ba lahat?
So guys, ang dami!
Hey guys, so it's me again, Antuy Palaboy. So kakatapos lang namin kumain. And right now, mag-review na tayo ng ating milk tea. So I've ordered cheesecake. So I ordered cheesecake, guys. So I'm a fan of milk tea, especially cheesecake. And let's try yung milk tea nila na cheesecake. Sir Gillard, sir, hi!
Guys,
So-
yung pinaka-first event giver.
Oh!
After ang first event na ako, wala sunod na event. So, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir! Yes! Woo! Guys, so with all fairness, napakasarap na kanilang cheesecake. So, hindi siya ganun katamis. Hindi masyado siya ganun ka... Kasi pag natatamisan ako, hindi ko masyado siya na-enjoy. Pero ito, approved siya sa akin kasi ayun nga, isa sa qualification ko sa food is hindi masyado matamis. Alright, so right consistency, guys, nice. Sarap. Tapos yung pearl nila, guys, hindi siya ganun kakunat. So guys, if you want to try this one, you can just check out their Facebook so you can order. So they actually deliver. You can avail their discounts for 1 peso. So technically yung loyalty card nila, meron kang 10 slots. So first is yung kanilang 1 peso milk tea. Second is on the 5th purchase, you're going to get 50% off. On the 10th purchase mo, it's going to be free. So shout out to Cebu for your loyalty card and for bringing me this drink na napakasarap. Thank you so very much. So guys, follow them sa ilahang YouTube channel. So para masaya kayong lahat, di ba?
Yeah, so my YouTube channel is DJ Jackie Vlogs and on Facebook, DJ Jackie Spotted. Please like and follow and subscribe, guys!
Hey, subscribe to Boy Trends official channel.
Di ba?
And also guys, ayaw makalimot subscribe sa akong new channel, Maktan Channel.
Maktan channel. Bridge man na! Subscribe as well to March, guys.
Diaries, yeah.
Please do subscribe to my channel. It's GJ Perino. Hello, Wonders!
So I think this is the best time to end this vlog. And if you're not yet my subscriber, please do subscribe by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it para ma-update ka sa mga bago nating vlogs. Alright? And this is Antuy Palaboy, ang MUKBANG Laagan, saying explore because life is too short and be a responsible Laagan. Till next time, I'll see you on my next vlog.
Cebu!